In this video, I'll show you how to fix a PS5 that won't turn on. Whether it's completely dead, only beeping, shutting off, stuck in rest mode, or showing a white light with no picture, we'll go through the fixes one by one. Like the video, subscribe, and let's get started. Let's start with a complete power cycle. Turn your PS5 off fully, then unplug the power cable from the back of the console and from the wall outlet. Disconnect the HDMI cable, USB devices, external storage, LAN cable, and anything else connected to the PS5. Leave it unplugged for 30 to 60 minutes. After that, connect only the power cable, plug it directly into a wall outlet, and press the physical power button on the console. If the PS5 still does not turn on, check the power source. Push the power cable firmly into the back of the console, and make sure the other end is secure in the wall socket. Test that outlet with another device, such as a phone charger. If the outlet is not working, try a different one. For this test, do not use an extension board, power strip, or surge protector. You can also try another compatible power cable if you have one available. Next, try starting the PS5 with the controller. Connect the DualSense controller directly to the console using a USB cable. Press the PS button and see if the PS5 responds or turns on. If you have the disc version of the PS5, try using the disk drive. Carefully insert a game disc, DVD, or Blu-ray into the console. Do not force it inside. The PS5 may detect the disc and turn on automatically. You can skip this method if you have the digital edition. Now, if your PS5 turns on for a few seconds and then shuts down, check for overheating. Touch the outside of the console and see if it feels unusually hot. Move it to an open area with good airflow. Make sure the vents are not blocked, and remove any visible dust from the outside vents. Do not open the console. Let it cool down before trying to turn it on again. If you see an orange light and the PS5 will not wake up, it may be stuck in rest mode. Press and hold the physical power button for about 15 seconds. Keep holding it until the console beeps and shuts down completely. Once the orange light disappears, press the power button again and check if it starts normally. If the PS5 shows a white light but there is no picture, check the HDMI connection. Unplug the HDMI cable from both the console and the television or monitor, then connect it firmly again. Make sure the display is set to the correct HDMI input. You can also move the cable to another HDMI port or try a different working HDMI cable. Test the television or monitor with another device, and if possible, connect the PS5 to a different display. If the console still does not start correctly, move on to safe mode. Make sure the PS5 is completely turned off and is not in rest mode. Press and hold the physical power button. You will hear one beep straight away, but keep holding the button. Release it when you hear the second beep, which should happen after about 7 seconds. Connect the DualSense controller to the PS5 with a USB cable, then press the PS button to open the Safe Mode menu. Once Safe Mode appears, select Restart PS5 first. Let the console restart, then check if it reaches the normal home screen. If the PS5 powers on but the screen remains black, go back into Safe Mode and select Change Video Output. Choose Change Resolution, then select a resolution supported by your television or monitor. If there is still no picture, return to the same menu, choose Change HDSP Mode, and select HDSP 1.4 only. The next option to try is Repair Console Storage. Open Safe Mode, select Repair Console Storage, and confirm your choice. Let the PS5 scan and repair its internal storage. Do not disconnect the console while this process is running. If that does not solve the problem, update the system software. Open Safe Mode, select Update System Software, and choose the option to update using the internet. Let the update download and install completely. Do not turn off the PS5 during the update. You can then try restoring the default settings. Go into Safe Mode, select Restore Default Settings, and confirm the option. Let the console restore its system settings, then check if it starts normally. If the issue continues, clear the system software cache. Open Safe Mode, select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database, then choose Clear System Software Cache. Wait for the process to finish, restart the PS5, and test it again. If clearing the cache does not help, return to Clear Cache and Rebuild Database in Safe Mode. This time, select Rebuild Database and confirm it. Wait until the process is complete, and do not disconnect the power while the database is being rebuilt. The final option is to reset the PS5. Only use this method after every other step has failed. Enter Safe Mode and select Reset PS5. Keep in mind that this will delete users, games, saved data, settings, and other content stored on the console. Confirm the reset, let it finish. Then set up the PS5 again and check if it turns on normally. And there you have it. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you get your PS5 turning on again without making things complicated. If one of these fixes worked for you, or if your console is still having the same problem, leave a comment and let me know what happened.